If Chrome has no sound, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through 4 simple fixes that solve the problem for most people in just a few minutes. Whether Chrome is completely silent, only one tab has no audio, or YouTube and other websites are working without sound, these steps will help you get Chrome audio back fast. And before we start, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing to check is Chrome inside the Windows volume mixer, because this is one of the most common reasons Chrome has no sound at all. Go down to the speaker icon on your taskbar and right-click it. From the menu, click Open Volume Mixer. A new window will appear showing separate volume controls for your system and for any apps that are currently open. Look carefully for Google Chrome in the list. If the Chrome volume is turned all the way down, raise it. And if Chrome is muted, click the mute icon to turn the sound back on. This is important because even if your main speaker volume is high, Chrome can still be muted individually in the mixer. Once you've done that, go back to Chrome and test a video or audio clip again. If Chrome still has no sound, the next fix is to unmute the Chrome tab or the site itself. Sometimes the browser tab gets muted accidentally, and that can stop audio from playing even though everything else seems normal. Open Chrome and look at the tab where the sound should be playing. Right-click the tab and check whether you see an unmute site option. If you do, click it to restore audio. If the tab is already unmuted, then move on to the next fix. This is a simple step, but it often solves the problem instantly, especially if sound was turned off from the tab menu without you realizing it. Now let's check your playback device, because sometimes Chrome is fine, but Windows is sending sound to the wrong output. To do this, open Settings, then go to System, and click Sound. Under the Output section, look at the selected device. Make sure the correct speakers or headphones are chosen. For example, if your computer is sending audio to a monitor, Bluetooth device, or disconnected headset, you might not hear anything in Chrome even though the browser is working properly. Select the device you actually want to use, then test the sound again in Chrome. This step is especially useful if you recently plugged in headphones, connected a Bluetooth speaker, or switched monitors. If none of those fixes worked, the last thing to try is disabling or toggling hardware acceleration in Chrome. This setting can sometimes cause audio and video playback issues, especially after updates or on certain devices. Open Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, then click Settings. From there, go to System. Look for the option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If it's turned on, try turning it off, and if it's already off, try turning it on. After changing the setting, restart Chrome completely so the change can take effect. Then go back and check whether sound is working again. This fix is worth trying because browser hardware settings can occasionally interfere with media playback. So to quickly recap, if Chrome has no sound, first check the volume mixer, then unmute the tab, then confirm your correct playback device, and finally adjust hardware acceleration in Chrome settings. One of these 4 fixes usually solves the issue, and in most cases, it's the very first one. If this tutorial helped you get Chrome sound working again, please hit like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting videos. And if you're still having issues, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.